Hello, my name is BlastingXDANALPRObMANGAMING, and I am going to be doing a list of my 10 favorite top 10 birds. So let's jump right into it. Number 10, the peacock. I like the peacock because of his funny name. Number 9, the red cardinal. I like the red cardinal because it reminds me of Indian people. Number 6, the farting button bird. I like him because. Number 4, fat ass bird. I like fat ass bird because he's chubby and he's fat and he reminds me of my granddad. Number 2, Flappy Bird. I like Flappy Bird because he's cool. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more, click here. If you, if you want to see more, subscribe.